all these were bought with promotional credit, so they were all basically free. Let's do another Saturday, Sunday savings, secondhand steal of deals, Shopaholic sickness saving steal of deals from the RealReals. We're going to combine. Usually I do each package by itself, but I'm gonna just combine them because I don't know if you guys like these stuff or not. I don't know that these are my best videos and get the best traction, but I do like, they do well on TikTok because people want to see me buy regular stuff and sustainable stuff. And I do want to spend more sustainably and secondhand, like savings. Like these were both sustainable. This was on sale. Well, it was new, but it was on sale. I haven't posted the unboxing yet. Maybe I have. This was from the RealReal. This was one of the things I got, but I don't know if I post the unboxing. I have so many of them, I don't know when I posted them. Anyway, so I'm combining them all. So we're gonna do a couple of RealReal unboxings, the savings that I got on them, and if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. And RealReal, if you're watching, let's partner. Come on. I'm doing you so much press. So much free publicity. Okay, so I got a few things, separate orders. None of these are the coat money. The coat money's still coming next week, I think. So I'm gonna get that coat money and spend it on something. I don't know. These are what I got so far, and I have one more thing that's at the store that I have to go pick up. So the first thing I got was finally a new pair of sunnies, which I was really excited about. They're Tom Ford. They're in excellent condition, and they're brown, which is nice because I have mostly black. And I lose my sunglasses a lot, and I hate spending money on expensive sunglasses, but they fit so snugly. And this was $100, which is way, I'm sure this was $500 or $600 from Tom Ford new. So savings and great. And I'm gonna take this for travel. I need a good, easy pair of sunnies. So these were, $100, and I'm very, very happy with them. That's the first thing I got. Yay. Came in this box. RealReal unboxings. Okay, second thing I got was this shirt from Hermes. This came in a 2-set. This shirt from Hermes was $90 or $100. It's a white Hermes t-shirt, which I'm gonna wear every day. You're gonna see this so much because it's so simple and easy and casual, but still Hermes, comfy, fits well. It's a little bit larger, but I shrunk it already. $100 and white. I don't wear a lot of white because I always get white dirty, but I have another white thing too. But it's like an easy t-shirt, okay? Second thing I got, which I don't know if I actually love this. I kind of wanted to return it, but I think it's too late now, is this Loro Piana purple tee, which I like the color, but the material, it feels very old. It feels very washed. It doesn't feel soft or nice inside, and I think it's also shrunk too. But I think it was also $100. And again, a nice little pop of color for springtime coming up. I don't know what it goes with these pants, but I like it. What do you guys think? Do we like? Do we not? Do we like? Do we not? Okay. And then the last thing I got was another white thing. This Fendi hoodie. Oh, this was $100 instead of, I don't know, $500. This Fendi hoodie was like $200, $160. And I'm sure this is at least $600, $700. The material is so soft. Again, it's white. It already has a little dirt on it. I think it was in very good condition. And it's a little large, but like the sleeves have a little dirt on it, which kind of bugs me, but I don't know. So I have to like get over the white thing because I know this can get dirty very easily. And I spill all the time. I'm very messy. And like, it's got some, but it's like a cool, the eyes I like. It's got the tail, so it's a little longer on the back. And it has pockets. And it's so comfortable, okay? It's so comfortable. So, and it's $160. And all of these were bought with credit. All of these were bought with, promotional credit. So they were all... Okay, that's what it looks like on. So all these were bought with promotional credit, so they were all basically free, So like, YOLO. Okay, so I basically save like $400 to $500 on each item. Also, these eyes are so nice, and it is machine washable. I hate things that are dry clean. It takes so much time and money. So like, I'm gonna become a more simple dude. Anyway, this is all I've got. I don't have any more, I don't think. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And let me know if you want me to keep doing these or not. Do you guys want me to keep doing these? Let me know. Otherwise, I'll stop. I'm spending so much on these or using credit, but sometimes spending a lot too, like the jacket, for you guys. So if you like them, let me know in the comments below, please, okay? That's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your family. If you hate it, share with your friends. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Okay, that's all I got. Thanks, bye.